Quantum physics is changing how we think about reality. Some thinkers even proposed a bold idea called biocentrism. Now, it's the possibility that the consciousness isn't just part of the universe, but the thing that gives it meaning. We can also say that consciousness, instead of being the byproduct of reality, it is the main source from where the reality emerges itself. And from this perspective, uh, there might not be a ending. Death might not be a final ending, but switching into a much larger reality, similar to switching channels in a television from one channel to another. Because we know that, right? That in a television there are many frequencies running simultaneously, but we only see what we tune into. And some people they point to strange quantum phenomena, right? The quantum entanglement, where the particles react to each other, being in a vast distances. And another experiment, the quantum double slit experiment. The experiments where the observation, just observation, changes the outcomes. Now, these raises a provocative question. Is the consciousness deeply shaping the universe? Still, most scientists, they say that biocentrism remains a philosophical idea, but the experiments are real, but linking life to death is still a speculation. And the interesting thing is, again, these things have been taught in ancient wisdom thousands of years ago, and scientists are now just catching up with the same thing, with the same explanations that have been taught, but in scientific way. And the question still lingers. The scientist community is still thinking, if the consciousness helps shape your reality, then what happens when it leaves the world that we know?